Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are doing a reaction today to Bel-Air, and it's about time that they went ahead and released, like, what is this, the teaser? Yeah, this is the teaser. So I'm super excited for season 2 to come on. I don't know how many of you guys watched Bel-Air, but when I watched it, I fell in absolute love with it. I love the show. The characters play very well into the sitcoms. They did a really good job casting it. The storyline is amazing. It's just a really good show overall. So I'm super excited for season 2 to come on, and today we're gonna react to the Bel-Air season 2 teaser. But anyways, before we get started, if you're new here, what's good? Welcome over to the Jada Mom. My name is Sajayda. Please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload, especially if you like videos just like this one. And please remember to give this video a very big thumbs up. I tell you guys all the time that that's super important, and that's the easiest way you can help me out and make sure my videos get seen. Okay, so I don't have like any negative critiques when it comes to Bel-Air in general. I'm just super excited to see what's going to happen in season 2. So with that being said, I'm gonna shut up. Let's just go ahead and jump on into this video.
Life is a series of choices. A world of either this or that.
Really quick, him playing Will Smith is probably one of the best castings I have ever seen. And it's not like he looks exactly like Will, it's his mannerisms, like when he's about to cry, when he laughs, etc. He looks just like Will in certain ways. It's crazy, but let's continue.
Push for what you want.
Look at Uncle Phil.
Or let people figure it out on their own. Set your own rules. Or disturb the system. Stay true to your vision no matter the cost. Play the game they want you to play.
Oh gosh. Listen, Carlton pissed me off in season 1. How many of you guys did not like Carlton watching season 1? I will raise my hand regarding that because I did not like him at all. He was so snobby. And I know that's how he was like in the sitcom, but in the series, like the scripted series, the drama series, he was like 100 times worse. And I'm like, bruh, like I cannot stand him. But I do like how, you know, him and Will eventually got along, but it was really hard for me to like Carlton because he was just doing a lot. And like, remember the whole situation with him allowing his white friends to say the N-word? I can't, you guys, I can't. But let's continue.
And simply walk away.
Jeffrey!
We all got choices to make. But this time, no one chooses for me.
You know, this is the one thing that I hate about teasers because it's like they give you a little taste of it, but you can't make nothing out of it. And I know that's what a teaser is for, but sometimes it can get super annoying. Like, y'all could have just gave us a little bit, just a little trailer, just a little bit. Number 1, Ashley is amazing. I love the fact that they not necessarily made her gay, but they decided to include a lot of things that are important to talk about. For example, she is very young and she did express that she does like girls. That's very important. And I know some people feel like, oh, they be trying to force down the whole gay thing and the whole LGBTQ plus community down people's throats and stuff like that. But it's like, no, it's real life, you know? And I feel like it's important to include a lot of things that normally are not included. So I think Ashley's storyline is amazing, and not only that, she's very active in her community. She's woke, you know what I'm saying? So it's just nice to see somebody as young as her. They did the same thing with All American too. I forgot her name. You guys know what I'm talking about though. The twins, the girl, she was very active and using her platform to spread awareness. So I like stuff like that. Also with Hillary doing the whole influencer thing. And I feel like, you know, that's extremely important because for one, that's my job. And that is a lot of people's jobs nowadays. Even though it may seem like a fun job, it does come with a lot of negative perks, just like everything else in life. So I love Hillary's storyline. The mom storyline, I love her storyline. Uncle Phil and freaking Jeffrey, they involved in something that's, you know, other than politics. You know, you could definitely tell that they have some shady stuff going on the side. They have some connections going on. You know, with Will too, like the way how everything happened, I feel like whoever wrote the script did a really good job because it fits in with the sitcom, but the drama twist to it is amazing because it's like, it's not too much and it's not too little. But don't get me wrong though, season 1 was very intense. It was very intense. So I'm very curious to see how season 2 is going to happen. And yeah, that's all I really have to say right now, because we're gonna have to wait for the trailer. Unfortunately, I thought I would have had a little bit more to say when it came to the teaser, but let's read a few of the comments and let's see what some of the people are saying, because sometimes that'll help jog my memory. Someone said, I'm looking forward to the upcoming season. I'm glad that they're telling their own story and not just piggybacking on the success of the original sitcom. Yes, you could definitely tell that the Bel-Air series is obviously inspired from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, obviously, and they did take certain things from there, but the storylines aren't so heavily based on the sitcom itself. It's like they took some things and really twisted it, and they put so many good talking points in this show that makes people uncomfortable sometimes. And I like stuff like that, because being that I give commentary, that's what drives me to want to make videos and talk about shows like this, because there's something to talk about, you know? So they did a really good job. Someone said, man, this trailer didn't tell me anything for season 2. LOL, can't wait though. That's a fact. See, it sucks sometimes, because I'll see something be uploaded onto YouTube and I'll be like, oh, I should do a reaction to it. And then I do a reaction to it and it's like, dang, I ain't really got nothing to say, because they ain't give us much to talk about. But I'm super excited, you guys, and I wonder, because the way season 1 left off, do you guys think Lisa is pregnant? Let me know in the comment section down below, because I don't know if they took it that far, but you know how she was saying how she has to tell Will something, but it got interrupted. I just wonder if she's pregnant, because that'll be insane. As always, you guys just let me know how you feel in the comment section down below. If you didn't hit that subscribe button, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Give this video a very big thumbs up. Let me know if you're excited for season 2, and I guess we will talk about it again when the official trailer comes out. But that'll be all for today. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.